In this video, I'm going to show you how to add or create text box in Excel. So a very basic way, guys, to create text box. Just click on Insert and Text and select here Text Box. Now draw your text box here. Type your text. Select and make it center. You can change the size and color. You can adjust size for this text box. You can drag and drop anywhere in your document. And also, you can hide this text outline and this background color. Double click on it or click on shape format. Shape fill, select no fill. Shape outline, select no outline. Now click anywhere. So this is the way you can create text box in Excel. Thanks for watching.